Hey guys, today in this video we are going to learn on how to use TD Cashback Visa card. And all we have to do is to search for the TD Cashback and we are going to tap on it. From there, we are going to accept our cookies, and then one thing that we should know is that TD credit cards or TD Bank offer credit cards for cashback in Canada, and we can choose to either use the TD Cashback Visa in an infinite card, the TD Cash Visa as just an annual card, and then we can use the TD Business Cashback as a Visa card. On the Infinite card, we can see that it does offer an annual fee of $139 at 20.99% interest in purchase and a 22.99% interest in cash advances. We can earn up to 500 in value, including the 10% in cash bank in the first 3 years in an eligible purchase of a total spend of $3,500 on the annual TD Cashback Visa card. On the other TD Cashback Visa card, we can see that we don't have any annual fee, but we do have an interest purchase which is 19.99% and an interest in cash advances which is 22.99%. On the invest back, on the last card, which is business, we have a zero annual fee, which we aren't earning anything in the 19.99% interest purchases and the 22.99% interest in cash advances. We can earn more cashback dollars on the grocery and gas purchases and on regular recurring bill payments, and we can even redeem. And in redeem, we have to make sure that we have a minimum amount, which is $25, but the choice is still yours in which amount you want to be redeemed. We can shop security, within which it does have some security features, and we can even discover the insurance coverages included with each TD cashback and credit card. From there, we can see on how to choose the best cashback credit card for yourselves, in which we do have payment preferences, financial situations, spending habits, and other added features, and even see the benefits of the TD Cash Bank credit card and how it works. And lastly, you can see more options. So in order for us to access these visas, we might have to log in using the easy web or the web broker or the US banking, so that we may be able to now choose which type of the TD cashback visa we would like. And in the case that we are having trouble, we may still tap on the help option, which is just here besides the search icon, and then we are going to choose on the problems that we are having issues with. We can even decide to talk to them directly by tapping on the contact us, and it will take us to another page which will be able to access their customer and secure the customer care personnel. We'll be able to talk to them live, and they'll be able to help us in the type of issue that we are currently experiencing. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.